Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about first GeForce RTX 40 graphics card without 8-pin or 12VHPWR connectors. So friend, ASUS TX BTF graphics card is now in stock and ready for purchase. It's worth noting that this card is not available for separate purchase, but there is a good reason for that. This particular model is designed with a unique ASUS GC-HPWR connector, which is completely replacing the conventional PCIe 8-pin or the newer 12VHPWR connectors, and this innovation eliminates the need for any additional cables or adapters, streamlining your setup. And it is essential to be aware of a crucial requirement: the motherboard must also feature this connector. Without it, the simply GPU won't receive the necessary power supply, and ASUS presents two bundles featuring BTF RTX 4070 card. You can either acquire the card with a motherboard or opt for a more comprehensive package that includes both a motherboard and a chassis. And this component feature the same white and teal color scheme, creating a visually appealing ecosystem, but also a system that relies on itself heavily. And the graphics card docks standard power connector, as these are simply not installed on the GPU. And the motherboard is a part of ASUS BTF series, which has a simple design choice that renders most of the standard PC cases incompatible, and the connectors are located on the other side. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.